Hey, let me show you how we can change straps on the Xiaomi Watch S3. So first of all, we have to rotate our device and we have to take a look just right here. As you can see right here, we can find this button that we have to move into the left side if we want to remove this band. So in my case, I can recommend you to hold it like this in this position. Your thumb hold here, and now with this finger just push this button towards you, and now try to move this band. Release this button, and now you can actually remove this second pin. And as you can see, that's how it works for the left and the right one. It works the same for the both bands, for the both straps. And now if you want to put it back, I can recommend you to definitely push this this metallic part into the left side. Hold it with your finger, and now we have to put it right here. Just right here. So put it here. Now click and hold this button and put it right here. And now release. And try to move it left and the right until you feel that is properly attached. So in my case, I have to do this for like few times until I just get used to it, and it's actually quite easy. If you stay calm and try it for a few times, you will actually do this easily. So that's how you can do this. And if you wonder about the size of the strap, it's actually 22. Let me just show you in the camera. It's actually not visible. Okay, now we've got it. It's actually 22 millimeters. So yeah, that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.